There it is, the wife's car, Honda Civic EX 1998, some snow tires. Going for a little ride. Had to run some errands today, and unfortunately there's a little bit of snow on the ground, but this is absolutely perfect in light snow. So let's talk about it. So anyway, I just want to make this quick video talking about snow tires. This car has some cheap snow tires on it. When my wife bought this, the previous owner, had a set of snow tires, only had one season on them. I forget who makes them. They're P102 Ice something or others. They're just cheap snow tires. They're not studded. It's just all rubber. But I've been extremely impressed on how much this car handles in snow, like I'd say up to about an inch or two. After that, of course, it gets sloppy. That's why I have the truck. But the roads, as you can see right now, there's probably a solid inch. People have been driving on them, so it's kind of compact. But I have excellent grip with these tires. I mean, I feel confident. You know what I mean? Of course, you can't confuse confidence with recklessness. You still have to drive very safely and very slow. But I've never had a car with snow tires before, and now I really like them. So I'm wondering if I should even get a set for my car. I have a Chrysler 200. I actually recently just bought really, really nice tires, some Goodyear Weather Readies. They're supposed to have a third snow tire tread or something like that. I haven't used them yet. I actually have to get some other work done on the car before I can go out and try them out. But anyway, the point of the video is snow tires. Do you use them? Do you swear by them? Do you not care? Let me know what vehicle you have and if you use snow tires. Just kind of curious about it. Have a great day, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Take care.